Good morning, everybody. Chuck here with No Time to Be Sad. It's Saturday here. We are on day number 2 of the teardown of the kitchen. And we had a pretty productive day yesterday. We got pretty much all of our main stuff that we needed. The refrigerator, stovetop, hood, pretty much everything. The other little stuff we need, we can just get on Lazada, or if we feel like going back to the department stores and looking again. But this is where the guys left off yesterday. They did a really good job cleaning it up. I don't quite know what they're gonna do with all this because I think they rolled up here in a car. I don't know, they've gotta have a truck. Maybe they do, I just didn't see it. This stuff right here, when they put this tile on, they glued it really tight. They're having a difficult time getting that tile off of the wall. But everything my father-in-law had done to this house was to, I think, withstand a bombing. Everything is like overkill on the construction here in the house. But that's what he wanted. And the renovation crew is paying the price for that. But they're getting it. I think they had to go upgrade some tools, is what they said. I think the old man here kind of burned up his power tools trying to get 2 layers of, I guess I kind of understand why they went over the existing tile, because it's like part of the damn wall now, you know. I'm gonna have a difficult time getting that stuff off. You can see where he started up here on the top. But yeah, it's a mess, but that's the way it is always.
That's all day.
Yeah, all day long we did this.
He's like, man, I don't think it's gonna be like that.
Hopefully he comes back. What are these brakes for?
For cover that.
Oh.
Side. You know, we have to close it, right?
Yeah. All right, well, that's what's happening today, guys. Still probably going to be doing this for the next few weeks. I've got my shelf for the TV I'm going to put up. That's my project for the day. All my major projects are, it's actually, the temperature is pretty good in here in the morning. So if you need to be in here in the morning time, is the best time to be out here in the garage area in our Thai style kitchen. But when this is all said and done, I want to make the back porch, well, the back area, I'm going to put this stuff back there for, you know, for extra cooking, because we always seem to have extra cooking. Anyway, good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sexy.
Everybody happy this morning?
Right. Happy, dusty.
Everything's super dusty.
มาแล้วขายแล้วน้องขายแล้ว มาถึงกรุงเทพแล้ว
อยู่ไหน
น้อง
Oh, น้อง
น้องขายแล้ว
Yesterday they didn't have my kapeksen soup, but they're back now, so. Well, this looks like it's going to be a big project. It kind of looks like the tile I bought, though. Yeah.
How you want it? Is that this? They are?
I think just the drawers. I don't know. I don't remember. It's been a few days.
You have a couple drinks?
Yeah. I think I had a drink or two when I ordered it. Cowgum, you come to help me? Yeah. Like IKEA.
ในเวทีโลกจากเดิมขึ้นมาถึง3 ระดับนะคะส่วนประเด็นเรื่องของ TV Soft Power ที่ระบุว่ารองผู้บริหารประชาสัมพันธ์ก็ได้มีการชี้แจง
Okay, there it is. Now we can hang your pictures up wherever. I guess I'll have to do that too.
He put all of them in the box.
Ready? Put up like for good or what? My mother-in-law made me some pork ribs and some dipping sauce and a little bit of sticky rice for breakfast. Let me show you something. I bought this sink, well, we bought this sink yesterday, kind of like a sidewalk sale at Home Pro for like $70. Normally it's over $200, which is still not a bad deal. But look at this, it's a big sink. You guys don't remember yesterday's video, but look, it comes with this little thing, it stretches out to put there. And it has a knife holder too that slides into a little slot right there. And a bunch of other stuff I thought was pretty cool. I was like, wow, I thought we got a good deal, but now we got a really good deal. I need to put these light switches together so the guy can hang them up later. Okay, that's what that switch is for my LED. I'm gonna run LED lights under the cabinets. And I'll wire that myself later when the cabinets get done.
How about on the phone? You want to outlet too?
Well, that it needs to go here.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. The other one.
I think this. Look on the side. It's many.
But I got a little coffee station set up upstairs. I don't know. I haven't really figured out exactly what I'm going to do quite here yet. But a lot of times we have a lot of company, and if they want to make noodles or something at night. Sounds like my construction crew is here. Hopefully they brought some sharper tools. Somebody said, Chuck, you should take the old kitchen and move it into another room and use for an outdoor kitchen. Hopefully that answers your question. Take a nap. I took a nap. What's up, Thomas? Now we got a giant hole in our wall now. What's happening here?
ร้อน
I don't know what happened to our air. It stopped working.
ก็คือวันเย็นขนาดนี้เลยครับผม
Somebody asked what happened to Gucci. She's right here.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
ตั้งใจกินแท้ๆมาทานเลย
Happy birthday
โอ้เมื่อกี้เดี๋ยวมาชิมละวะ
Happy birthday
มาชิมจะเกลือที่จะกินเท่านั้นแหละ
You like it? You like our new kitchen?
Yes
Nice. Yeah. It's our new kitchen.
the bed sauna
Sauna. You can cook and lose weight at the same time.
Con nhiều, con lại nó bị sao mới ở cái bạn con phát tiêu bạn
Well, I think they're doing a great job. So I'm gonna let Pookie tell you guys how she found these guys. What did you do to get these guys?
Facebook. Facebook.
Okay, so what do you mean? You
Yeah.
just send out like a bat signal on Facebook or what?
No, that's a Facebook site
Uh-huh.
for looking for a construction worker in NakhonPhanom and somewhere closer, and then you just post whatever you want.
How did you know to find that?
You just post on the Facebook,
Uh-huh.
and you just, you know.
You post something on your page in public?
No, on their page, on this.
So how did you find their page is what I'm asking.
Oh, you just search.
Oh, for just a contractor, local contractor?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
local contractor, and
I
then
see.
you join the the Facebook,
Uh-huh.
and then you just post what you look.
So
And
it's a
this
local
one-
contractor's Facebook page with multiple people on there, right?
Yeah, with all the contracts. Like this person, they say they're looking for people who do the what you call it,
Mhm.
the cement, the ground, and all kind of thing in whatever city, Nakhon,
Mhm.
and whoever interesting. This is phone number,
Mhm.
you know.
And she was able to look at their Facebook feed on these people here
Yeah.
and see if there's any derogatory stuff on it. Because you said you found one that had a bunch of negative stuff on it, huh?
Yeah, I found one.
Yeah.
And then I just go in there
Yeah.
and kind of read the comments.
So what made you go with these people? What did you
Oh,
see?
they contact me.
They contacted you?
Yeah. And then they say, and then I look at their Facebook and we see they can post their work and all
Oh.
this.
So they actually build houses from the ground up. This family does. So.
Yeah.
And they've done a couple of foreigners or one foreigner?
Couple.
Couple foreigner
Couple
homes.
foreigner.
Remodel jobs.
Remodel
so,
job,
yeah.
Yeah. So you just have them come out and then estimate if you
Yeah.
like it, and for the agreement, and then you know.
Oh, switch off. Yeah, okay. You can take the screen off on that one. Good deal.
happy, joy, joy, happy, 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 happy, joy, joy, joy.
I don't have to do anything. My floor. That guy's got to be at least 70 years old. He paced himself to do that whole job from start early till a perfect time in the evening. He did a perfect job to finish with that in a day's time. Time เร็วๆเนาะ
เร็วเนาะ
เร็ว
เขาไม่อู้งาน เขาทำเป็นครอบครัว
Yeah,
เสร็จเร็วก็ได้ตังค์เร็ว
right.
ไม่ต้องไปขึ้นกับบริษัท
The whole family comes to do it, so they work better as a team, you know. But I am like extremely impressed, and definitely, well, as of now, this guy he's got a lot of pride in what he wants to do. I told him, I said, you know, this is okay. We don't. The bar is going to go here. He goes, oh no, I need to cut more and make it even because it just doesn't look good. And a few other things too, so I appreciate that. Anyway, we're gonna go walk to the night market. I'm tired from watching them all day. No, but really, I want to say lucky, but Paige and her mom did all the vetting for these guys. So, well, I guess it's like we're lucky to have some quality people in our area, you know. But it is coming quick. I think it's going to be done a lot quicker than he said. But I know that the grout, well, they're going to cement all of this in and then paint it also for a moisture barrier before they tile it. And that's going to take some time to set, you know, in stages and dry. So, very cool. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I think it's going to look awesome. That ought to keep it's open as it's going to be. It'll be a lot cooler in the kitchen, especially with that vent hood. Alright guys, gonna end today's video. Tomorrow I promised Mom I would take her shopping for a few things tomorrow Sunday. Maybe I'll get up early. It's raining now. It's been raining in the evening, which has been working out good. Anyway, if it's not raining in the morning, I'll bring my I'll bring my clubs anyway. You never know, it might not be raining in NakhonPhanom, but Sunday might be busy at the golf course. So anyway, our crew's not coming until around lunchtime because he's got to buy some more material. And looks like he's driving a car. I don't quite know what's going on there, but whatever. They've done quite a bit of work in a short period of time, so I should be back home maybe around 2 o'clock. So yeah. Anyway, guys, we'll see you tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. He just bit. Ow! If you got time, hit that subscribe button, share the video, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye. What are you doing? Putting the smell on me? Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Go out.
See you tomorrow.
Huh?
See you tomorrow.
Okay, see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, kitty.
Bye bye. ไปดูแล้วมันหัวไปไหนไปซื้อข้าวนะเดี๋ยวของมันสติ๊กอย่างมันเจ้าแล้วแต่ว่าอันตะโกนนั้นออกไปส่งร้าน